The team works with extreme caution. Tools like the air scribe and fine brushes are essential to protect the fragile dinosaur bones from the surrounding rock.
The density reading here is unusual.
Let's cross-reference with the geological data from the dig site.
Slow and steady on the descent. Watch your clearance on the left.
Copy that. Coming down slowly.
All right, she's secure.
These bones tell a story of immense strength, unwavering endurance, and the raw, natural.
Slow lift on the main cable. Keep it steady. Watch your clearance on sector gamma.
Copy that. Sector clear. Moving it now. Steady.
Look at that sky. It feels like we're on the edge of something huge.
We are. Once these bones are assembled, the world won't know what hit it.
From the ancient Earth to modern science, the journey begins.
Stabilizers engaged. Lowering the primary specimen now.
Confirmed. We have visual confirmation on the data streams.
The automated control is stabilized.
Particle consistency is perfect. We are running at optimal capacity. Here, the fossilized fragments undergo extraction. Utilizing safe, green chemistry, we
Flow rate decreasing slightly at manifold 4.
adjusting the valve now. Level stabilizing.
Using high-speed centrifugation and subsequent reverse osmosis, we achieve unparalleled purity.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure the ideal pH, concentration, and safety for your skin. The degradation profile remains consistent across all time points. The accelerated stability data looks promising.
The texture is slightly grainy, but the fragrance is almost there.
I'll add the micropearls and reassess the viscosity now.
Pure, refined, and ready to nourish your skin.
The perfect harmony of natural extracts and modern skincare science, evenly distributed by our automated mixers.
The viscosity is reading 15,000 CP, a bit heavy.
Agreed. Let's adjust the polymer ratio slightly, drop by drop.
Perfect, that feels much lighter.
The consistency is perfect, and the scent profile is accurate.
Agreed. Batch meets all rigorous standards.
The trials confirm the formula's efficacy and safety profile.
This is wonderful news. Well done, everyone.
The trials confirm the formula's efficacy and safety profile.
This is wonderful news. Well done, everyone.
Are the samples clear?
Yes, confirmed. No harmful bacteria detected. We can release the batch.
The active ingredient concentration is right on target. See how the retention times match the reference standard.
Yes, product lot 72 is good to release.
You're doing great. We just need to check these last few spots, and then we can take the patch off. Everything looks healthy. The degradation rate improve if we
Adjust the thermal constant here.
Let's proceed with a modification to the linkage.
Tested for safety, trusted for care.
All checks passed on pallet 3. Verified. I'll sign off on the release form now.
If you love this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more amazing product journeys and factory tours.